Welcome everyone to another adventure of clogs in the mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today, yes, it's time to get back to Gribin with some good weather. I promise you guys that. So today we're going to do a Gribin again and hopefully get a better view than last time. We're going to try and start straight away on the slabs over here. As last time with Spencer we started a bit further in. So let's get going. There goes the Gribin. Wow, what a view on the ridge. What a view, guys. Yeah. Clear with over there. Full view on the Gribin Ridge. Absolutely awesome.
So that's where they destroy the ring up there, isn't it? Yeah.
Back up the ridge, guys. Back up the ridge. We'll venture a bit further. To the bottom of the slabs over there. We'll do the slab scramble. Back on Gribin. Forgot how much I enjoy this scramble. Hi. It's pretty straightforward. It's all great, basic grade one. Oh, it's a cracker. It is a cracker. About that. You're getting height really fast on this ridge. It's really nice, mate. Here it gets a bit spicier, guys. Awesome. Right, that's the Gribin. There's a raven up there, is it? Sounds like it. Don't slide down the gully. Whew. Solid. There's some handles here, yeah. Guys, there's your handles here. Whew. Cracking view. Oh. Awesome. Alright, let's get up. It's not wet now, that, so I should be able to get up this. When Spencer and I were on here in January, it was wet. Yeah, we went that way last time. Yeah, there's not great holes over here. Alright, ledge. The last bit. Let's explore this side. Last time we went over the ledge, we'll explore this side. Yeah, that's the side. That's the official route. That. So last time we veered off a little bit over the ledge. The official route, you have to come out in between these horns over here, guys. That's what the official description says. Oh, what a ridge. Absolutely awesome. Yeah. Woo! Woo! That's it, guys. Boom. Done it again. Gribin. How awesome was that? Pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. Absolutely fantastic. So, conditions were much better than last time. Nice dry rock. Good visibility, so we managed to find the actual route on the end, which is good. Next adventure, join us for Triffer North Ridge in some excellent conditions. I must say the weather gods have been favouring me for the last week. Got a few more days of epic filming to do, and then we're back off home. So yeah, join us for the Triffer North Ridge next time. If you like this one, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.